friendship, so ito lahat yung ingredients ng ating pansit. So mangangailangan tayo ng pansit or rice noodles, spring onions, hot dogs and tofu, and garlic, onions, zucchini, cabbage, lemon for garnish, celery, red bell pepper, carrots, and yung ating half cup na soy sauce. So, una natin gagawin guys is ibabad muna natin sa 10 minutes yung ating rice noodles sa hot water. Now, sa mainit na mantika, i-brown natin yung ating tofu. Once na brown natin yung ating tofu, i-add natin ngayon yung ating sliced hot dogs. Okay, so haluin lang natin ng haluin hanggang sa maluto yung ating hot dogs, and then ngayon naman i-add na natin yung ating garlic and onions. When onions is softened and naging fragrant na rin yung ating garlic, we will add in all our vegetables. Now time to add in our soy sauce and yung ating rice noodles.